So I just got home from the gym. I went straight after finishing work. The weather's really bad. It's been raining today. I think it's the first of autumn today. I really don't know, but I think it is. So I'm going to cook my own version of birria chicken for tea tonight, and I will show you the ingredients. Birria paste, lime juice, soy sauce, ground black pepper, garlic granules, garlic, mixed beans, onions, mushrooms, sweet potatoes, chicken breast. And now let's marinate our chicken. So let's transfer our chicken into a bigger bowl. Let's add some soy sauce. Lime juice. Ground black pepper. I always put a lot of pepper. Garlic granules. And some birria paste. Let's put probably like, let's put 3. Let's put 4. 4 teaspoons. So my hands are clean. Let's mix them. If you can hear someone eating in the background so loud, it's Cooper. But anyway, I'm going to roast the sweet potatoes in the air fryer. Let's roast it at 190 for 25 minutes. Let's just put a bit of oil. Let's put some salt and some black pepper. Let's mix it. So I'll put this in the air fryer now. So while the sweet potato is cooking, we can now start cooking our mushrooms and the meat. I'm starting with the mushroom because I don't like the juice of the mushroom. So we'll just cook it until the juice reduces, and then we'll fry it. Let's put some oil. And we can put the mushroom. Actually, we'll transfer it to this pan so we can use this pan for frying the chicken because it's almost... Hey Google, what time is it?
It's 5:42 p.m.
Yeah, it's 5:42 p.m. now, so I'm gonna cook this on the other stove so that we can start frying the chicken now. Sorry, I always use my hands in frying. I always use my hand in frying. So it smells really good. It just wobbles all the time. I don't know what's wrong. We can flip it now. Probably cover it so it cooks faster. So we will give it a quick stir. Let's cover it again and let's cook it for like 5 minutes more. Chicken breast cooks quite fast, so it should be done soon. Because we're gonna cook it again later anyway with all the ingredients. So this is what our mushroom looks like now. I usually use chicken thighs because it has more flavor, but the chicken breast wasn't offered, that's why I got this instead. I'm really warm right now, so I'm just going to change. Right, I'm back. And so, this chicken should be done now. Let's transfer it into a bowl, and then let's set it aside. Now let's put oil, just a tiny bit. Then I'll fry the rest of the chicken. So the juice of the mushroom has reduced, and this should be done soon. So our mushroom is done, and we'll just transfer it to a bowl. So our sweet potato is done, and we can now transfer it to a bowl. We can now flip this. So we'll cover it so it cooks faster. Let's stir it again. Should be done now. because this pan has all the flavors, we'll saute the garlic and onions in this pan. Put some garlic now. I always use this easy garlic. I love garlic, so let's put a lot. That's it. So we'll add our chicken again. We'll add some soy sauce. Tiny bit of pepper. And then we can put more birria paste. I'm not sure if you pronounce it birria, but we'll put more of this. Mix it. Let's cover and let it cook for like 5 minutes, and then we'll put the rest of the ingredients in. Give it a quick stir. We can add the mushrooms. And the taco beans. Alright, so let's cover it again and cook it for like 30 minutes, and then we'll add in our sweet potatoes. We can now add in our sweet potatoes. Stir it. We'll cook it for 5 minutes more and it should be done. Hey Google, set a timer for 5 minutes.
Okay, 5 minutes. Starting now.
So, this should be done now. Yeah, this should be done. Looks amazing. So this is my birria chicken. It doesn't really look appetizing in camera, but it smells amazing. You can have it in a wrap with lettuce, or you can have it with rice, but I'm probably gonna have it with rice because I haven't had rice today, but I'm trying to cut down on my rice, so I'll probably have the wrap. But yeah, so let's try it. So taste test. Get some chicken and some sweet potatoes. That's it. I mean, it doesn't really look appetizing. So hot. It's so good. It's really, really good. It's a bit spicy, but I like it. I like it. It's not super spicy, but it's just the right spice. And it tastes really, really good. Anyway, it's almost 7 p.m. now and we need to eat. So I'm going to end the vlog now. Thank you all so much for watching. Maraming salamat po. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I really, really appreciate it. Again, maraming salamat po. Enjoy the rest of your day or night wherever you are. Thank you. Bye.